Nishta Online Training Portfolio Activity 9 Pedagogy of Mathematics. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share my videos to all. Portfolio Activity. Plan an activity for introducing any one of the following concepts and prepare a rubrics for self-assessment for children. Multiplication of integers, division of fractions, area of rectangle. Write any three recommendations of NCF 2005 related with mathematics education. Write any three vision statements for school mathematics as per NCF 2005. Basic details: name, treasury ID, module number, portfolio, school, mandal. Topic: area of the rectangle. Learning outcomes: children will be able to identify measurements of the rectangle. Children will be able to find area of the rectangle. Transactional strategies. Experiences: children will say the examples of rectangle shapes in their surroundings. Children will say the rectangle shapes in classroom: blackboard, table, window, duster, switchboard, notebook, scale and box, etc. Children express their opinions on square and rectangular shapes. Language. Children express that the closed figure with four sides and two opposite sides are equal is rectangle in their own terminology. Area can be expressed measurement of the surface of a shape. Pictorial presentation. Teacher will ask the children to observe the two rectangles carefully and ask how many squares inserted in second picture. Teacher will ask the children to observe the left side rectangles and will ask how many squares occupied in those rectangles. Teacher will also ask what is the longest side, what is the shortest side. Symbol. After generalization of finding areas of the given rectangles, children will know that area of the rectangle, the product of the length and breadth, A is equal to L into B. Teacher will give the different measurements of the rectangle paper or cardboard cuttings to the children and give one square unit squares to the children and ask them to place square paper cuttings on rectangle paper to cover the surface. Activity 2. Teacher will give the rectangles models in grid form having equal squares in it and ask the children to count squares on the rectangle and measure each side of the rectangle. Teacher will also ask the children to find the product of the length and breadth of a rectangle. Activity 3. Teacher will ask the children to measure the length and breadth of a paper, plank, window and ask them to find the area. Teacher will give the instructions to find the area of the given things. Rubrics. Parameters. Sharing the experiences. Level 3. Students are able to express their experiences. Level 2. Students are able to express their experiences with given hints. Level 1. Students are unable to express their experiences. Measuring the length and breadth of rectangular paper cuttings. Level 3. Students are able to measure the length and breadth. Level 2. Students are able to measure with the help of teacher or friends. Level 1. Students are unable to measure. Finding the area of the rectangle. Level 3. Students are able to find the area of the rectangle and explain in two ways. Level 2. Students are able to find the area with the help of teacher are friends. Level 1. Students are unable to find the area of the rectangle. NCF 2005 recommendations related to maths. The main goal of mathematical education is to develop mathematical abilities in children or school stage to develop practical abilities with a limited goal, that is numbers, relationships, quadratic process, dimensions, decimal fractions, percentages, etc. The goal of the higher stage is to develop in children such things as mathematical thinking and searching for causes, making hypotheses, coming to a logical decision, and understanding abstract concepts all have a place in this stage. The math curriculum should be interestingly linked to non-math topics, must be interested in pursuing higher goals than limited goals. Vision statements for school mathematics as per NCF 2005. Children learn to enjoy mathematics rather than fear it. Children learn important mathematics. Mathematics is more than formula and mechanical procedures. Children see mathematics as something to talk about, to communicate through, to discuss among themselves, to work together on. Children pose and solve meaningful problems. Children use abstractions to pursue relationships, to see structures, to reason out things, to argue the truth or falsity of statements. Children understand the basic structure of mathematics, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and trigonometry. The basic content areas of school mathematics all offer a methodology of abstraction, structuring, and generalization. Teachers engage every child in class with the conviction that everyone can learn mathematics.